Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Marilyn Darling Show. Today, we are looking at another brown ink from Diamine Little Beck, or Diamine Becky. Thanks go out to Gary and Kathy Scott for providing the sample for this review. This ink is a nice brown ink. It's very dark, so we're not going to really see any shading. It does have kind of a little bit of green sheen, which is interesting, like maybe a tealy sheen, which is very nice. The water resistance is negligible. Here's our ink splotch. It looks really different from normal ink splotches. Here's our toilet paper chromatography. I see brown, and then tan, and then green, which is very different from a lot of normal inks. I was hoping to get some of that over here, but none of that happened. So, I don't know. Anyway, let's get into some paper review, shall we? This is the Pen and Gear Memo Book from Walmart.com. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. 52 GSM Tomoe River paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Rhodium dot pad 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Fabriano Eco Qua 85 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding. A tiny bit of ghosting. I might still use the backside of this paper. AU 100 GSM paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. The Premier Premium Journal from the 99-cent store. Feathered like a chicken. Bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. Nemesine 80 GSM. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Clairefontaine 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Lamy booklet, 90 GSM. No feathering, no bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use backside of this paper. Exceed, 100 GSM heavyweight paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would, maybe a teeny tiny bit of ghosting. I would still use the backside of this paper. CVS Caliber notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Oxford College rolled notebook paper. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Mead wide rolled notebook paper. Looks like it's trying to feather. And it bled through the page. I would not use the backside of this paper. HP Premium 32-pound copy paper. No feathering. It does look like it's trying to ghost through the page. I might not use the backside of this paper. Unison composition book from Target for 50 cents. No feathering. No bleeding, no ghosting. I would totally use the backside of this paper. Alright, let's look at a comparison panel. This is Diamine Becky next to Platinum Sepia Black, Noodler's Whaleman's Sepia, Roar and Klinger Sepia, Diamine Ochre, Monteverde Chocolate Pudding, Diamine Winter Spice, Robert Oster Hippo Purple, Malta Verde Brown Sugar, Carcos Brown, Malta Verde Pumpkin Cake, Diamine Chocolate Brown, Platinum Sepia Black, Noodler's Whaleman Sepia, Ferris Wheel Press Beaver Dam Brown, Roar Inklinger Sepia, and Pembibius 510. What did you guys think of today's ink? Are you guys looking for a dark brown? Let me know in the comment section below. That is all for today. I want to thank you all for watching. I hope that you enjoyed that one. I hope that you learned something. Please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell. Make sure it's set to all so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. And I will be back very soon with another video. So take care until then. Okay, love you, bye.